Hello everyone, I am Esther Rebecca Nirmal from Poon Analytics. This is our lycra materials. This is a glitter effect. Navy blue and black glitter effect. Material is stretchable material. Lycra. The per meter price is $295 per meter price. We have color changes and color options. This is a sky blue shade. It is shimmering. Glitter used. Silver glitter used. This is lycra. This customer demands. We restock this product. This is lining item use lining item net fabric under use the per meter price is $295. Add the colors. This is bronze shade with green color effect. Green and bronze shade. The per meter price is $295. This is jet black shade silver combination color. Again $295 per meter. Lycra material. This blue and green gold effect color effect. Pink shade color. The per meter price is $295. This is silver shade color. We have running materials in the collections. That's web through purchase or WhatsApp through purchase. We have shop visit available. So support it. Thank you so much.